10 easy English words.
Verbs.
Eat. Eat. I eat 3 meals a day. I eat 3 meals a day.
Run. Run. Jane likes to run in the park. Jane likes to run in the park.
Cry. Cry. I cry when I'm sad. I cry when I'm sad.
Drink. Drink. Han drinks coffee every morning. Han drinks coffee every morning.
Dance. Dance. I love to dance. I love to dance.
Jump. Jump. Daisy loves to jump. Daisy loves to jump.
Laugh. Laugh. Joe laughs a lot. Joe laughs a lot.
Wash. Wash. Please wash your hands. Please wash your hands.
Walk. Walk. I walk to work every day. I walk to work every day.
Listen. Listen. Please listen very carefully. Please listen very carefully. Can you complete the sentences?
Listen. Something's happening.
Can you dance like me?
I always drink water when I exercise.
Please wash the dishes with hot water.
The baby cries when he's hungry.
Jack runs 5 miles a day.
That joke made me laugh.
I eat cereal every morning.
It's easy to walk around the city.
How high can you jump?